So now we are going to cover this up with this small patch. It's a very tiny small video, but I would like to share because this position is a little critical position on the leg between the two fingers, so that's why I would like to share this live process video of this white patch cover up. So watch this video completely and get to know how we are covering it up. As you all know, we are making a one tone darker than her actual skin tone, so that once it's got healed, it will be match up with the exact skin tone and we can achieve the perfect output. So this process is happening now. As you can see, there's no small bleeding or swelling also. It's going on much more perfect way. Sorry for the angle distortion because of due to the lack of clients who were shouting, so the angle got distorted a little bit. If you have any more doubts, please do contact us. Our contact number is on the screen and we have attached our website link in the description also. And it's the end of the video. I'll meet you guys in the next video. I'm Suresh Machu. Don't die new.